well with the start? Again, sino po? Yes, we are celebrating 34th birthday of Jaden. For that, ayan, nakatayo na po kayo lahat. And may I request, please wear your party hats. Lahat po mga party hats, suotin nyo na po. Okay, as we welcome our birthday celebrant, so other than Sir Jay! Samahan sa palakpakan for Sir Jay! Isang malakas na happy birthday, Jay! 1, 2, 3, go! Yes!
Naman, ang wish ko lang sa'yo ay good health and good wealth.
Yeah!
It's very nice, Miss Ma'am Taro, Miss Charo. Miss Taro, good health and good wealth. Love ko yun, bet na bet ko yun. Dahil dyan, ito po yung listahan, pwedeng listahan ng utang. Ito po, listahan ng mga hindi pa po nagbabayad sa utang, Miss Alma. Thank you so much, congratulations. Take your seats na po. And then, picture daw po. Yan. Hindi sila nagkasundo. Again, in 1, 2, 3, go! Medyo. Okay, second group. Ano pong group ninyo? Happy Babe. Happy Babe. So, ano pong group cheer nyo? Handa na po ba kayo ipakita? Kapareho po? O, pagandahan na lang po. Medyo kapareho. In 1, 2, 3, go! Sabi. So, position na po natin yung ating mga sarili. Dito po yung overlay. On my mark, set, go! Go! Kaya mo yan?
Been a long time coming, but we're here now.
Ready po? Animal. Okay? Ma'am Mercy, you're first.
Ow, ow. Dog.
Ma'am Mercy chose dog. And the sound of a dog is?
Ow, ow.
Aw, kabayan na kabayan. Hindi arf. Next, si Ma'am Taro. Ma'am Taro, what's your favorite animal? Sige po, any animal? Pig. What is the sound of a pig? Oink, oink. Next, si Ma'am Doris. Ma'am Doris, animal po? Cat. Sound po ng cat. Wow! Si Mami, parang AI. Parang tunay na pusa. So, unahin natin si Ma'am Mercy. Ma'am Mercy, dito po tayo. Harap po tayo, Mr. J. Ang gagawin niyo po, kakantahan niyo po ng birthday song si Sir J using the sound of that animal. Okay? That's your punishment. On my mark, set, go! Birthday song po mga, hindi po bahay kubo mga. On the mark, set, go! That's perfect. Thank you, Ma'am Taro, for a good sportsmanship. Last but not the least, Ma'am Doris. Ma'am Doris Bigornia, ano pong kaganapan sa Luzon? So, handa na po ba kay Ma'am Doris? On the mark, set, go! Thank you so much, Ma'am Doris. Welcome po sa mga newcomers. Sige po tuloy.
Hello, Jollibee!
Birthday?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Mas malakas at energetic!
Happy birthday to you.
Louder!
Happy birthday to you.
Mas malakas!
Happy birthday, Jay!
Okay, Sir Jay, mag-wish ka muna. Pikit ang mga mata. Sana po. Sana po. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yay! Paano ba ka naman for Sir Jay? And of course,
Ang wish ko ano, good health and right now. Good health, happy life, and bigger life to the world.
yes, Sir Jay together with Jollibee. And Jollibee, I think meron kang birthday gift for Sir Jay. Bigay mo na. Thank you so much, Jollibee.
Face reveal, Jollibee.
Ano Hiwaga? Wow! Jollibee tumbler. Thank you so much. Okay, in behalf of Jollibee Dira City Center, we would like to thank also, of course, all of you and